Welcome back to Bike Reviews Pro, your trusted source for in-depth reviews of the latest motorcycles. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2025 Honda Goldwing GCT, a machine that redefines long-distance touring with groundbreaking comfort, technology, and performance upgrades. Design and aesthetics. The 2025 Goldwing GCT maintains the iconic silhouette riders love, but introduces sleeker lines, sharper LED lighting, and a fresh color palette that includes a striking new matte titanium option. Aerodynamics have been subtly improved for better wind deflection, and the fit and finish remain premium, with improved panel integration and modernized trim details. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the GCT still houses Honda's proven 1833 cubic centimeters flat-six engine. But for 2025, it's been retuned for smoother throttle response and better fuel efficiency. Horsepower and torque remain robust, making highway cruising effortless. Honda's dual-clutch transmission, DCT, system is back. Refined for quicker shifts and improved low-speed handling, especially useful in stop-and-go touring scenarios. Technology and features. The new GCT introduces a larger, higher-resolution 10.5-inch TFT display, now with enhanced smartphone connectivity and a new navigation system optimized for rider-friendly route planning. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard. Honda also adds voice command integration, and the audio system now features active noise compensation for crystal-clear sound on the move. Comfort and touring enhancements. Honda has taken rider and passenger comfort to the next level. The 2025 GCT features an all-new climate-adaptive seat with heating and cooling zones, and the suspension has been revised to better absorb road imperfections. Storage has increased slightly, with more ergonomic panniers and a redesigned top case for easier loading. Safety and rider aids. Safety upgrades include improved cornering ABS, traction control, and the latest version of Honda's radar-based adaptive cruise control. A new blind spot monitoring system adds another layer of confidence, especially on long highway rides. Final thoughts. The 2025 Honda Goldwing GCT is more than just a touring bike. It's a luxury cruiser packed with technology and refinement that makes every journey unforgettable. Whether you're crossing states or cruising city streets, the GCT delivers unmatched comfort and performance. Outro, subscribe for more. Thanks for watching Bike Reviews Pro. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a deep dive into the latest and greatest in the motorcycle world. Ride safe and see you in the next video.